This is a story about Fred, a very smart turtle, as told by the Kissy family. In this story, Johnny, one of the Kissy family kids, gets lost in a tree forest. Fred, a very smart turtle, helps Johnny find his way home. This story combines fantasy with facts to learn in a fun way. Here is the Kissy family at the breakfast table. Mr. and Ms. Kissy and their kids, Joni and Johnny. When they put on their wing shirts, they can fly. Here is the Kissy family at the breakfast table. School tomorrow, kids. Get your homework done.
Okay, Mama. We will get the school books out. I don't feel like studying right now. It's such a beautiful day. I think I'll go for a little fly. I would go with you, but I really want to start on my art project. I have my wing shirt on, so I'm ready to go. It's a beautiful day, but wow, there's a lot of trees down there. There is a pond. I think I'll go take a closer look. Oh no, I got too close to that branch.
Are you all right? What happened?
I hit a tree branch and landed in the water. Now my wings are wet. My name is Johnny. You are a really big turtle.
My name is Fred.
My wings are wet, so I can't fly, and I can't swim.
No problem. Get on my back and I will carry you to the shore.
Wow, this is fun. Thank you, Fred. One day I will give you a fly ride.
I look forward to that ride.
Wish me luck. I am going to have to walk home. Trees, trees, so many trees. Everything looks the same. Oh no, there is the pond again.
Hi, what happened?
I guess I was walking in a circle.
Do you know your right from your left?
Yes, I use my right hand to write and draw, but my sister uses her left hand to write and draw.
I drew this in the ground to show you directions. By directions, I mean north and south and east and west.
I see that the sun is rising in the east and setting in the west.
You left in the early morning, so the sun was rising in the east. Was the sun on your right side or on your left side?
The sun was on my right side as I was leaving the house. So I was going north, right?
Right. So to get back home, you would have to fly to the south.
With so many trees, it's hard to see the sun.
In this grove of trees, moss only grows on the north side. When you see moss on the tree, you know you are on the north side. If you don't see any moss on the tree, you know you are on the south side.
Thank you, Fred. Now that I know which way is south, I can get home. I'm going to hurry to get home, but I'll come back and see you, Fred. There's the sky, and my wing shirt is dry. Hooray! The sun is higher in the sky than when I left, but not overhead. The sun is on my left side, so I am flying south toward my home. There's my house! There's my house!
I heard you went for a little fly by yourself this morning.
I was getting worried You seem to be gone so long.
I'm sorry I worried you, Mama.
Why were you gone so long?
Johnny told me he had an accident and got lost. I had a little trouble, but I found a friend, a smart turtle named Fred, who helped me. While flying over some trees, I saw a pond, which I wanted to see closer, and then I hit a branch and fell into the pond.
So then your wings were wet and you could not fly.
Johnny told me that Fred swam to the shore with him on his back. That must have been fun. Fred helped me figure out I needed to go south to get home. Fred told me that in this grove of trees, the moss only grows on the north side of the tree.
In some tree groves, moss grows on the south side, and in some it grows on all sides.
After I found my way out of the trees, I used the sun to find my way home. I know the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. It was still early morning, so the sun was still rising in the east. I learned a lot of things and met a new friend, but the most important thing is I am home.
This is the end of the story about Fred, a very smart turtle. In the next story, the Kissies will tell you about their adventures in space with E, a space traveler, their new friend. E will take the Kissy kids into space on his spaceship, where they will see space and learn about space.